doing? This is super awesome. Now walking through the science class saying, what up, science peeps? Yeah, I'm just making this whirligig from a file folder, cut from a pattern someone came up with. People said, air friction makes it fall slower. Writing in a lab book, stuff for the experiment. Got a problem, hypothesis, graphed it, tabling it. Stamping a pink graph, including my title on my table. Probably should have scaled this between 0 and 2 seconds. Tick, tick, tick. But gosh, gotta get the data to fit. Got it lined up, about to start my first trial, looking for some group peeps. Found a dropper, a timer, a recorder, I'm a leader. I'm pointing and directing and getting ready to kick this experiment off. Bam! You got your stopwatch? You got your meter stick? No, for real, are you ready to write that in your notebook? Thank you. Counting paper clips to hook on this whirligig. First trying one, then repeating a bunch of times. Times for 1.5 seconds, then for 1.4 seconds. I ran into the meter stick person, then 1.4 seconds. Hello, hello, are you getting this down, fellow? Group 3 ain't got nothing on my technique, heck no. I'll take these all numbers, find the mean, note that, write it in the spreadsheet. Make sure it's getting the right row. I'm dropping whirligigs, comparing mass to rotor length. I'm observing what the gig is doing. This is super awesome. I'm dropping whirligigs, comparing mass to rotor length. I'm observing what the gig is doing. This is super awesome. What you know about rotors on a motor gig? What you know about cutting them in different lengths? I'm measuring, right down to the millimeter. Not measuring this as inches, but in centimeters. Thank you, meter system, for making this base 10. It's harder to divide 12 than it is to 10. You're standing on this chair in the middle of class, trying not to fall, to drop from exactly 2 meters. First trial 1, then trial 2, then trial 3, then trial 4. All these add up, get the average. Oh, just one more. Okay, we need to shorten these rotors in centimeters quick. Drop it 5 more times in the same height, slick. Then be like, oh helper, don't wiggle that stick. And yo, recorder, don't forget to write. Make sure the rotors are the same length, do it right. I call that getting them measured accurately. I call that getting repeated precisely. That's called reliability. Getting close to the same measure for each trial is a good thing. It's better than having weird random timings. Trying to analyze some messed up data, you hella won't. Man, you hella won't. Science lab. Dropping gigs. Yeah. I'm dropping whirligigs, comparing mass to rotor length. I'm observing what the gig is doing. This is super awesome. I made them from a file and gave them to my peeps. I cut on solid lines and folded on dotted lines. I measured accurately and repeated precisely. I reported group results on the screen into my book. I'm dropping whirligigs, comparing mass to rotor length. I'm observing what the gig is doing. This is super awesome. Which one changed the most?